Are you looking for the best coloring markers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best coloring markers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Copic Sketch alcohol-based markers. Among the several alcohol-based markers available, Copic markers are widely considered to be the best due to their high quality and adaptability. Artists prefer the vast palette of the 72-piece set, thanks to the variety of colors it contains. Intricate shading, mixing, and layering techniques, essential for artwork at a professional level, are made possible by this diversity in color selection. Their exceptional blending capabilities are a hallmark of this brand. The ink they use is specially formulated to blend effortlessly, creating subtle and realistic color changes. Artists who want their work to have depth and dimension may find this especially helpful. These markers are refillable, while their nibs are replaceable when they get worn. This makes the markers more cost-effective over time, even after accounting for the initial high price point. There are 2 tips on each Copic Sketch marker: a chisel tip and a flexible brush tip. Whether you're filling in larger areas or working on finer details, the brush tip's variable widths make it a great tool. For more defined lines and effective coverage of large areas, the chisel tip works great. In spite of their alcohol basis, the non-toxic and barely perceptible odor of Copic Sketch markers makes them ideal for long periods of use without discomfort. Artists who work long hours in confined spaces with little airflow will find this feature particularly useful. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kuraki Zig water-based markers. Due to their high quality, adaptability, and performance, Kuraki Zig water-based markers are considered a great option for water-based coloring. They are well known for producing vivid and detailed colors. With such a wide spectrum of colors included in this set, one can unleash their imagination and experiment with everything from detailed illustrations to daring creations. Kuretake Zig markers are water-based, so they blend beautifully. Thanks to this, artists may make delicate color transitions and gradients, just like in watercolor, but with the ease of a marker. The bristle tip of this set allows for a variety of stroke widths, from thin lines to thick strokes, using only one tool. Due to this adaptability, you may use the markers for everything from filling up large areas to coloring intricate details. Although it is often believed that water-based markers won't last as long as alcohol-based ones, Kuretake Zig markers are engineered to be fade-resistant and long-lasting. Finally, as they are water-based, these markers are both easy to remove from skin and surfaces and present themselves as a greener alternative. Parents and teachers may rest easy knowing that they are less likely to leave lasting stains because they are easier to clean up after mishaps and spills. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kuretake Zig water-based markers. Due to their high quality, adaptability, and performance, Kuretake Zig water-based markers are considered a great option for water-based coloring. They are well known for producing vivid and detailed colors. With such a wide spectrum of colors included in this set, one can unleash their imagination and experiment with everything from detailed illustrations to daring creations. Kuretake Zig markers are water-based, so they blend beautifully. Thanks to this, artists may make delicate color transitions and gradients, just like in watercolor, but with the ease of a marker. The bristle tip of this set allows for a variety of stroke widths, from thin lines to thick strokes, using only one tool. Due to this adaptability, you may use the markers for everything from filling up large areas to coloring intricate details. Although it is often believed that water-based markers won't last as long as alcohol-based ones, Kuretake Zig markers are engineered to be fade-resistant and long-lasting. Finally, as they are water-based, these markers are both easy to remove from skin and surfaces and present themselves as a greener alternative. Parents and teachers may rest easy knowing that they are less likely to leave lasting stains because they are easier to clean up after mishaps and spills. At number 3, we have the Prismacolor Premier double-ended art markers. The Prismacolor Premier double-ended markers, particularly the 72-pack, are highly regarded by art enthusiasts and professionals alike for their exceptional quality. Designed to withstand the rigors of professional art and illustration, these markers combine precision, longevity, and a rainbow of vivid colors. This set includes markers with both fine and chisel tips, so artists can effortlessly go from detailed line work to large strokes without switching tools. Along with the 72 color palette, professionals can effortlessly create depth, shading, and blending. For work of a professional standard, nothing beats the rich, highly pigmented inks of Prismacolor Premier markers. They provide a consistent color application that is both vibrant and vivid. To achieve delicate color shading and fluid transitions, the ink recipe is specially engineered to combine inks without leaving a visible trace. Those that use blending to create more realistic and three-dimensional effects will find this very useful. Prismacolor Premier markers' alcohol-based ink dries rapidly, making them ideal for layering without bleeding and minimizing the possibility of smudging. The long-lasting nature of Prismacolor Premier markers was a primary design goal. The sturdy build of the markers guarantees they can handle frequent use, and the high-quality ink keeps the colors vivid and accurate for a long time. Professionals who depend on their instruments frequently will find them to be a cost-effective option due to their durability. At number 2, we have the Crayola SuperTips marker set. The SuperTips markers from Crayola, a company well known for its dedication to kid-friendly art supplies, have several advantages that make them ideal for classroom use. The distinctively shaped tip of these Crayola markers is one of the brand's most distinctive features. It enables kids to create thick and narrow lines simultaneously. With only one tool, students can do everything from writing and drawing to coloring and making elaborate artwork, which is perfect for educational settings. Also, a wide range of colors is available in this set, giving kids plenty of room to express themselves creatively. Not only does this wide range of colors make drawing more enjoyable, but it also helps in teaching kids about color theory and recognition. In educational settings, the mess factor is a crucial consideration. Thanks to their washable ink, Crayola SuperTips are a hit with both kids and their parents in the classroom. The markers are made to be easily washed off most surfaces and garments, making cleanup a breeze and lowering the likelihood of permanent stains. When picking up art materials for kids, safety must come first. Teachers and parents rest easy knowing that these products are safe to use in any setting, including homes, daycares, and schools. Affordability is another key consideration because of the financial restrictions that are common in school districts. Thanks to their affordable pricing and outstanding quality, Crayola SuperTips are a great buy. And finally at number 1, we have the Ohuhu alcohol markers. If you're an artist on a tight budget seeking high-quality markers that won't break the bank, you should definitely check out Ohuhu markers. With its extensive color palette, this set is sure to satisfy your palette. Ohuhu markers are just as versatile as more costly brands, thanks to their dual tips. One tip is perfect for intricate work, and the other is broad and chisel-shaped, so you can cover big areas with ease. These dual-tip brushes are great for artists of all skill levels because they enable a wide variety of artistic styles, from detailed line work to expansive color fills. The ink quality of Ohuhu markers is unmatched by their inexpensive price. You can create flawless gradients and color transitions using their alcohol-based ink since it blends well and applies consistently. These inks are perfect for painters of all skill levels since they dry quickly, reducing the likelihood of smudging. Ohuhu markers are also built to last. With a sturdy construction and the option to refill the ink, they can last longer than regular budget markers. Their emphasis on long-lasting quality and the capacity to be filled up increases their value, guaranteeing that customers will receive the most value for their money. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.